Today, we're going to create a promotional post for sports shoes using Adobe Photoshop. Join us. First, we remove the background of the image. Then, using the single column marquee tool, we select a part of the image and make a copy. We transform the copied part and use the warp tool to give it flexibility. Next, we use the polygonal lasso tool to draw a surface and fill it. Now, using the brush tool, we create a shadow for the shoe. We create a background matching the product color with the gradient tool. And then use the dodge and burn tools to add highlights and shadows to the created surface. Now it's time to add the text. We move the title behind the product. I want part of the text to be moved behind the design and displayed with a stroke. Using the pen tool, I select a part of the text and then mask it. I make a copy of the text layer, invert its mask, and add a stroke to it. Finally, I add the slogan, and our work is done. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel.